Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're back to Crunchin. This time, City Nights update, which includes what's in the teaser and other Nightmare version logo. They've done this several times and it's all different. We're still chipping away at our original plan for update 3. Consider this update a second bridge before the last few additions roll in. It shouldn't take a year, hopefully. They're still not done. These were the original 3. And yeah. But they had to do this again. Okay, fair enough. Here's their new song. No new song. Oh, extra context! He's buddy-buddy. New song. YOLO. Sound test is still here. And oh boy. We've got cool new stuff. This is getting somewhere. Okay, I can see why this took a while. And we're on Nightmare Vision. Ooh, that's cool. Restart. This is goated though. So when you keep an FC, it's yellow. When you don't keep an FC, it's screen, it's white. You have a better input system. Let's see if it works. was originally trying to see if I could FC. But okay. Brave girl. My gosh, it's just so beautiful. Cereal guy. Oh, your base belonged to us? Holy moly, that art! I have a feeling they couldn't include, like, they included the bonus songs because they're very easy to include. But there's one more thing. Yeah. YOLO. I have a feeling YOLO's gonna be a full week. Like, this song is gonna be representative of a full week. If not, this is crazy. Because they just introduced him especially with other content. Spacebar. Okay, yeah, I gotta take that art is fantastic.
Legally, this is self-defense.
You have multiple phases, by the way. I want to FC this one, though.
self-defense.
Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Is that him approaching the building? Oh! I want to see this again. I love the art with this song. Oh yeah, there's more subtlety to the animations this time around. Oh, great. I do remember this, like, they aren't changing Roach in here, and I wish they were. Like, that's the only thing I wish they did, is put Roach. There's Alert's reportrait. And this. Oh! This is how you get through the songs. This is how they're going to, like, they're going to have to make a third layer. I do believe, like, I hope threats be reworked. I do have to check one thing out about this. Okay, yeah, there are two. But I do love the respect and care they're putting into this. So that when I actually have to play this mod for the full experience of everything, oh boy, is it gonna be insane. Yep, lead programmer for Crunchin V2. I programmed almost everything version 2 alongside this full-on version 3. No Shiroa. Why did I see Shrek? Bro! You crashed my game! Shrek crashed my game. What the frick? I do like the new Nightmare Vision logo that each mod has. Also, that was new. But yeah, I'll skip the credits. Comics. Serial guy. Look, I don't want. I know. Oh no, I just can't keep up with you. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh! He isolated himself away from Smiley. Epic face, sorry. Method acquired. Oh. He's still alive. They believed him to be dead. Nice! $637.4 burgers, 500 large smiley fries sides, and 315 sodas. You fool. Yeah, that was a lot of orders. Whoa. Let's just say she's had some issues experiencing with, Serial Guy's death. Oh. Trolljack. An entire city collapsing. Yep, that's Sifu's job. Wait a minute. Let me take a look at this, by the way. Yeah, okay. Just go shred something. No, wait, don't! Shred. Yeah, Poop Madness got mad. Because they made the house for him. Ah, I forget how pretty this place is sometimes. Oh, you little son of... You're a huge problem, Snoo. I should really just kill you right here, right now. But according to Providence, you're promising. You're gonna have to stay with me for a while. Behave and you won't get incinerated. Got it? Sure you do. Down we go. Okay. That's crazy. Cause, yeah. They were a threat and Ifu took care of them. Poop Madness. He uses iFunny memes. And that's his home. He makes 0 cents, basically. Share file request sent. Accept. Received. You are an idiot, and... Yep. It's time for your judgment. Let's review your story together. Whoa! YTP collab! Ooh! Disrespectful display indeed. Your crimes won't go unpunished. Oh, frick. Ifu, I want to play from... what is it? I wish I could feel love. It is said that love is one of the greatest emotions that can be experienced as a computerized, hive-minded entity. I can only emulate emotions. I cannot feel anything. IDI. Diddy. I don't think you're yet... I get what you're saying. God, what sends mortals to heaven? How could you need love when you do that for them? They get to be alive. Ifu, as the face of both fairness and punishment, is not fair. Wow. This is crazy. IDI, IDI, and Providence. Ooh. Alright. Ifu, I've got it. Why don't you snatch up that snoo fellow? What? He's tried to kill you 18 times this week. Jar. We're going to meet him very soon. Update 3. The story becomes official. But holy moly, is that cool. Yeah, Roach is a cool concept design. The roster. Trolloge, Forever Alone, Epic Face, Providence, Mr. YOLO himself. Yep. Oh! That's Ifu's other form. That's the pre-play. He's not showing these. So there's more to come. Definitely. Oh yeah, this is cool. Congratulations for that. Oh, whoa. That was a to be continued for something else. That was used, technically. Oh, from Jack's original design plan. Scorch VX. That's what we got used. Ah.
Oh. Is this her?
I see. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that would have been a bit harder. Okay. Yeah, this is very cool. To play around one more time. I love YOLO. It was the first song shown off. I'll play it again. See if I can get better. I better have also noticed that right, because I swear that was the building. We were rapidly approaching the building.
Legally, this is self-defense.
Yeah, that looks like the building. But yeah, this mod is fantastic. I can't wait to see what the next update has in store. Hopefully, as they said, hopefully it doesn't take a year, but holy moly was this worth it. Even if it's not a full, like, rework, like, even if it's not the biggest update, especially compared to last time. Wait a minute. How many songs were introduced? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. 1, 2, 3. And reworks on the menuing. Oh. Okay, they're around the same. But it's very cool. Appreciate the Crunchin devs for making this. Nightmare Vision logo, heck yeah, we're back. But yeah, great video to make, to actually react to this. This is fantastic. I do hope to see eventually the end of the journey. I wish Roach was actually the design used. Please use Roach. This is what I don't like. It's like you're using not Roach, and Roach is an alert, which makes 0 sense in this context. But we'll see. Alright.